हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। आई थिंक आप लोग अच्छे होंगे और मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि मैं क्लासेस कब लूँ। I announced that I will give you 15th on 15th the class. That's why I started the class. Is unwanted hair. It means in body parts there is so many unwanted hair is there, like eyebrows, upper lip, chin area, then hand, legs, etc., etc. There is so many hairs is there that was not required, and the popular things is eyebrow and upper lip. So हम लोगों को इसको रिमूव करने के लिए बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं, जैसे वैक्सिंग होता है, थ्रेडिंग होता है, बहुत सारे एपिलेटरी मेथड होते हैं। पहले ज़माने में क्या होता था, पहले ज़माने में थ्रेडिंग नहीं था तो क्या होता था, सैंड पेपर जो होता है, जो हम लोग वुडन को घिसने के लिए टू रब दी वुडन, देयर इज वन सैंड पेपर कॉल्ड in old Asian period, they used that paper to remove the hair. We will start threading. How to do the threading? आप कैसे threading करोगे? The procedure of the threading. How to hold the thread. I will show the two methods to hold the thread. One, you can do the others, and two, you can do on your. Everyone you know that this is a tweezer, and that I told na, in ancient age period there is one sandpaper. Now they use this sandpaper. Actually that paper is little bit rough and this paper is little bit softer, not that much of hard. You can see it. I'll show on the camera. See this one. By this you can do this. The upper lip, the chin area, the cheeks area, all the part. But this is for few days only. After that you have to throw it. Then this one is one method. This is one spring type. Okay. This is for remove upper lip. Okay. Most popular for upper lip and eyebrow also. But this is little bit painful. And this is the thread. Everyone will get this thread in the market. I think 40-50 rupees will take this thread. Now I will show how to hold the thread. First one, you have to hold one part of this. See the end of this thread. You have to leave this much of thread left and put it in your mouth and press with teeth. Okay, one side. See, one side, not in the middle. One side and make 7. See, it makes 7 now. Like this, like this. If I board, then I can show you that this is 7. Like this. Go and here. Okay. Then this the left hand side of the finger. See, I hold this thread in the hold in this left hand, and my thread is like this in the right hand. The left hand thumb should be on the right hand, this right side of this thread, and come lightly down. See, slide down. Like this, slide down and turn inside, turn to your 3 or 4. Okay, I will show you again. You have to hold like this and bring left hand side the thumb and bring down and turn 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then lift it and then right hand side thumb bring here, this hole. See, this hole. The thread will look like this. Okay. Now if you have excess thread here, then round on your left hand side and push like this. Like this. It will be open, then close. Open and close. Close and open. Close and open, close and open, close and open. You have to do this practice on your leg, okay? And if you have other person, then you can try on them, but first you have to try on yourself. Then one thing more I will tell you, you have to bend, you have to tie here one band-aid, okay, because you are doing first time. If you are doing the practice, while the practice you might be cut here because you are doing first time. I have got practices, I didn't cut my hand. That's what you have to do practice. So for practice period, you have to do one band-aid here and one here and put it and do the practice like this. Okay. Now there is one method. I have told you there is two methods. Now one method has done. This method you have to do on other, not on yourself. You can't do. You can do on leg. On leg you can do by own. By this that I shown you method, that one. Now this one is for yourself. I also do at home by this way only. I didn't use, I show you the equipments that I didn't use because that is very painful for me. This is very comfortable for me. My thread one is very comfortable. I didn't get any substitute of this one. So I take this much of length one thread. See, okay. This two end come here. Okay. Equal, and I tie one knot. Okay. Then here I will again, we have to hold like this. Okay, we have to hold like this and turn yourself. Always turn yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. See, the loop has made. See, one loop and two loop. There is two loop. I have made two loop here. Okay. Have you seen? There is two loop. When you have to do this side, I will give demo after 2 days. You practice it nicely. Movement of your hand. Then after 2 days, I will show the self demo of. If you have any query, if you have any question about regarding this, you can ask me. I will provide my mail ID on my description.
My channel, and already subscribe, and thank you. Who didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe the channel. Thank you, subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Now bye.